This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Shopify questions or tasks on demand.
Hi everyone, so the question is, where in the world is my Style.CSS file in my Shopify store so I can add my own little CSS snippets and styling? And I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a little bit different than, say, WordPress or Squarespace, where a lot of the times you can edit your CSS right in the page and right from your theme editor. It's a little bit different, but I'm going to show you how to do it. All you need to do is go to your themes and then go to Actions and go to Edit Code. And this is going to load up. And this pretty much brings you to your little back end of your Shopify store, and it houses all the different files that make up your Shopify store. So you're going to see a bunch of files here. You're going to see your layout, your templates, etc. What we're looking for is, if you scroll down, you're going to go into your assets folder, okay? And from the assets folder, this is the file that you want. This is your CSS file. It's called theme.scss.liquid. So we're going to click into that. And here you go. Here's all the CSS that is on your Shopify store. It might look a little bit different because it uses Sass mixins, but it does take just regular old vanilla CSS as well. So if you just scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there's a lot of code here. All right. Awesome. So this is the end of the file. All you have to do is go ahead and put in your CSS. Say you're working on a certain class, maybe it's your tables, and you want to add a border. And there you go. That's how you add it. You can also add your comments so you know exactly what you've added and what the code is about. Hope that helps how you can edit your CSS on your Shopify site. Hope you have a great day.
Was this helpful? Ask a Shopify question now. AskQuesty.com.